Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So today, students, I have come up with the second part of the chapter. Okay, and do you remember in the previous chapter I have taught you about Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Okay, I have completed the first part of the chapter. So here in this video, I am going to explain the second part of the chapter. Okay, so I hope you have all remember what I have taught in the first video. Okay, so now let's have a recap of it. Okay, yes, what we have learned in the previous video was the beginning of the chapter. Okay, so it was that Bipin Babu always used to go to Kalicharan for collecting books. Okay, and there he met a man. Fine, he met the man by the name Parimal Ghosh. Let me mark here. By the name Parimal Ghosh. Okay, and what did he say? He told to Bipin that I know you very well. We have been to Ranchi together. Okay, and Bipin was in a total state of confusion because he remembered that he had never been there. Okay, so this was the part which we have studied in the previous video. Okay, so now here the story gets more deeper. Okay, so now let's have a look that what happens in the next part. Okay. Yes. Okay. So till here we completed in the first video. Okay. That means he go on finding the evidence whether he have really been to Ranchi or not. Okay. So what happened? He thought that he would meet his friend by the name Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay, who was also told that he was with Bipin on the trip to Ranchi. Fine, but he did not visit him because he don't want to feel embarrassment face to face. Okay, so he thought that I should not go and ask him, because if he also says that yes Bipin, you have been to Ranchi and what's wrong with you, you have forgotten everything, have you lost your mind? Okay, if Bipin is to hear such words again, then he would be totally embarrassed, so that he avoid meeting him and get embarrassment face to face. Clear? But according to Bipin Babu, what it was? According to Bipin Babu, it was that he was attending pujas in Kanpur. Okay, he was thinking that how come that this man Parimal Ghosh, he is telling me that I have been to Ranchi, but during that time I have not been to Ranchi. Instead, I was in Kanpur and I was attending puja. Okay, and I stayed at my friend Haridas' place. So how is he telling that I have been to Ranchi? Clear? This was till the first part of the video. Yes or no? Okay. So now we are coming up with the second part. Now the second part begins. Now see here. Then what did he do? He thought of confirming it with him, okay, with Haridas. Okay, but he remembered that he had moved to Japan and did not have his new address. Okay, so now Bipin, it came to his mind that Haridas okay, here we are talking about Haridas. So Bipin was remembering that he had been to Haridas' residence for attending puja. Okay, so he thought that I should consult with him. I should ask him if I was in your place or not. Okay, if I was at your residence or not. But he remembered that he had moved to Japan. That means Haridas had moved to Japan, and Bipin did not have his new address. Okay, and Bipin did not have his new address, so it is not possible for Bipin to contact Haridas. Clear, students, all of you? Okay. He was finally calmed after dinner when he snuggled in bed with his new book. Okay, so all these things happened and finally he was calmed. Okay, calm means to have peace. Finally, he had peace after dinner when he snuggled. Snuggled means to get into something which is very comfortable, which is very warm and comfortable. Okay, snuggled. So, he snuggled in bed, that means he tucked under the bed with his new book, and then he opened his another book and he started reading. And when he started reading, at the time he felt much calm. Okay. Okay, next. It was only the next day in office before lunch that he thought of clearing this on call with Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay, so Parimal Ghosh has told him that if you don't believe, you can even call Dinesh Mukherjee to clear about your confusion, because even Dinesh Mukherjee was also with us. Fine. So now he finally thought that I should not go and ask him face to face. Instead, I can call him and clear all my doubts. Okay. Then he made a call to Dinesh. Okay. He called him up and he started asking about his trip to Ranchi. Then what was the response of Dinesh Mukherjee? Dinesh Mukherjee also told him that they both went on a trip to Ranchi in the October of 58. Okay. So, in response, Dinesh replied that Dinesh and Bipin had gone on a trip to Ranchi in the October of 58. That means when he was 58 years old. Okay, and he said, Bipin Babu, that it is true that you have been there, but yes, it may also be true that you have lost your memory. Fine. So now Bipin Babu got more worried. He started worrying more and more. Okay, because he's wondering that how all the people tell that I had been to Ranchi, although I don't remember even a single inch of it. Clear? Next. Okay. On that very evening, an old friend of his named Chunilal visited him. Then on that very same evening, okay, when he talked to Dinesh Mukherjee over a phone, okay, that same evening, an old friend of Bipin Babu by the name Chunilal visited him. Clear? Okay. Next. Bipin Babu knew that he had come to ask for help for a job for which Bipin Babu had told him that there was very little hope for. Clear? So, Bipin Babu, he knew that why had Chunilal come to Bipin. He knows that Chunilal had come to Bipin to ask for help for a job. Okay, that means he was in requirement for a job, and to which Bipin Babu replied that there was very little hope for him. Okay, that means I cannot promise you for helping you with a job because there is very little hope. Okay, like suppose sometimes we say that okay, let us see if there is vacancy, then I would definitely give you a call, or I would definitely help you to get into that job. But since there is no vacancy, then we could not help you. Fine. So in the same way, Bipin Babu also, he could not help Chunilal because at that time when Chunilal was in dire need of a job, but there was no vacancy, or Bipin Babu was unable to help him. Clear? Then what happened at the time? He told his servant, that means Bipin Babu, okay, he told his servant to send him away, but he suddenly realized that he could ask Chunilal about his trip. Fine. Here, Bipin Babu, he told to his servant to send him away. He told to his servant, please tell Chunilal to go away because I could not help you with any job. But then suddenly he realized that he could ask to Chunilal about his trip. Then he did not let Chunilal go. Okay. Then what happened then? He called Chunilal in. Chunilal came in and then they discussed about the job. After that, he asked Chunilal about the trip to Ranchi. Then at that time, what did Chunilal reply? Chunilal too remembered about the trip. Okay, he remembered about the trip and claimed to have booked his ticket to Ranchi for the same. Okay, then Chunilal, what did he reply? He replied that, yes, I knew it very well that you have been to Ranchi because I was the one who had booked tickets for you. Okay, while you were going to Ranchi and back from Ranchi, it was me only who had booked a ticket for you. So it is true that you had been to Ranchi. Okay. Now, Bipin Babu accepted that he had been working too hard and decided to see a doctor. Okay. And then what happened? Now, Bipin Babu, he had totally lost his mind. He is about to go insane. वो अब पागल होने जा रहा है. Okay, that means he is totally confused. So, what did he thought? He thought that it may be that I am a very hard working man. I work too much. So, this is the reason why I am lapsing my memory. Okay, my memory gets lapsed. So, what should I do? I should go and see a doctor. Then he sent Chunilal away and then he decided that he should go and visit a doctor. Clear, all of you? Okay. Now see. He visits a physician. Okay. And what was the name of the physician? Dr. Chanda. He visited Dr. Chanda and his case was out of his area of experience and expertise. Okay, now see here. When he put all his problem before the doctor felt that this case is a very special case. It's a very special, in a way you can say it is a very critical case actually. Okay, it is a very critical case and he realized that this case is out of doctor's area of experience. Okay, like suppose when we are skilled in something, when we go on performing a same task over and over again, then we get experience and we become expertise in that. Okay, we become fully expert. Okay, but if we get something which is completely out of our profession, then what will we call it? We will call it a very critical case. Fine. So similarly, even Dr. Chanda find it a very critical case. Okay, which he says that it was out of his area of experience and expertise. Still, he suggested that he visit Ranchi once again. But still, the doctor suggested Bipin that he should go and visit Ranchi once again. Because if he go and visit Ranchi, then it may be possible that he recalls back his memory. Okay, he restores back his memory. Clear, everyone? Okay. Okay, then what did Dr. Chanda advise? Dr. Chanda suggested that Bipin should visit Ranchi once again. Clear? Okay, next. Bipin suggested that Bipin Babu booked a first class ticket to Ranchi. Okay, I am quite mistaken here. Okay, see, I repeat again. Bipin Babu booked a first class ticket to Ranchi. Okay, after that he thought that yes, I should go and I should visit Ranchi. Then he booked a first class ticket. Fine. So as soon as he stepped out of the train, so now here Bipin Babu has reached Ranchi. Clear? So as soon as he stepped out of the train, he realized that he had never been to this place. He had never been to this place. Okay, Bipin Babu, he realized that he had never been to this place. When he went to visit the Hudru Falls, he was found unconscious by two Gujarati men. Okay, so now what happened? He went to Hudru Falls. Okay, he went to Hudru Falls. It is a waterfall. Okay, by the name Hudru. So when he went there, he thought that perhaps I would recall my lost memory. Okay, I would recall my lost memory. But when he reached that Hudru Fall, he could not recognize anything. Instead, he got more puzzled. He was more confused, and he became unconscious. Okay, मतलब बेहोश हो जाना. Fine. He became unconscious, and two Gujarati men came to help him. Okay, they came to help him, and those Gujarati men, they had come to picnic with a group. That Gujarati gentlemen, they were with his friends who had come for a picnic. Clear? Okay. So now Bipin Babu, he is unconscious. Okay, वो बेहोश पड़ा है. Now on waking up, जैसे ही उनको होश आया, on waking up, Bipin Chaudhary realized that there was no hope left for him, and he came back to Calcutta. Okay. So what happened after that? When he came back to his senses, when Bipin Babu or Bipin Chaudhary, when he came back to his senses, he realized that there is nothing left for me to find out. There is no hope left for me. So what should I do? I should go back to Calcutta. Clear? Next. Upon reaching home, he receives a letter from Chunilal. Okay. And then as soon as he reached home to Calcutta, he received a letter from Chunilal. Okay. And what was in the letter? It was written there that Chunilal plotted the entire punishment for Bipin Babu for unseeing towards an old friend when he was out of luck. Okay, this was the total reason, this was the actual reason that what was wrong with Bipin Babu. Why he couldn't recall any of the incident of the past. Okay, so what was the reason? The reason was that Chunilal, okay, that man Chunilal, who was in great need of job. Okay, when his luck was not favoring him, he had come to ask for a help to Bipin Babu. Okay, he asked a help saying to give him some job, some work. But Bipin Babu was unable to fulfill his promise. That means he could not find any job for Chunilal. And so this was the reason why Chunilal plotted the entire punishment for Bipin Babu. Okay, he took revenge on Bipin Babu. Clear? So, when he reached Kolkata, okay, Calcutta, sorry, at that time it was called Calcutta, now it is called Kolkata. So, Bipin Babu, when he reached Calcutta, at the time, what did he do? As soon as he reached Calcutta, he called his doctor, okay, Dr. Chanda, and he said that, doctor, I need to see you, okay, because he explained that I had a fall on Hudru Falls, okay, that means he slipped and he fell, okay. So he said that, Dr. Chanda, please come and see me, I am not well. Clear? So, when the doctor visits him, Bipin Babu tells him that all is fine with his memory now. Okay, but the actual thing was that it was Chunni Lal who was plotting against Bipin Babu, okay, in order to take revenge. Clear? Now Bipin, he come to know that it is not that I have lost my memory. Actually, I had never lost my memory. Instead, Chunni Lal was just cooking up some stories in order to harass me. Okay, he was just making up a plan in order to torture me because I was not able to help him. So this was the reason of why I was harassed so much by Chunni Lal. Fine? But when doctor came and visit Bipin Babu told doctor that all is fine with his memory. That means his memory is fine now. Okay? And wants to get a painkiller for his hip pain that he got after having a fall in Ranchi. Okay? So this time when he went to Ranchi, he had a fall. वो गिर गया था. Okay? So Bipin Babu said to doctor to please give me a painkiller because when I fell in Ranchi, I got hip pain. Okay? When I fell on my hips and I got a pain on my hips. That means the back. Okay? On the bones, I'm having some severe pain. So please give me painkiller. And doctor gave him painkiller, and then doctor confirms that if Bipin Babu is all right. Okay, if you remember all the incident of the past. Okay, so Bipin Babu did not tell him that it was a prank played on me, but he just told to doctor that yes, I had been to Ranchi and thank you for suggesting me to go to Ranchi so that I could remember everything. And yes, upon your advice, I have been there to Ranchi and now I recalled back my memory. Okay, now everything is fine with my memory. So thank you so much. Okay. Then what did the doctor say? The doctor said that it's a unique case. Doctor said that it is a very peculiar case because such things never happen. But I wonder how it happened to you. Okay, but still, doctor was very happy that Bipin Babu had gained all his lost memory, which never happened to Bipin. That means Bipin was always fine and alright with his memory. Clear to everyone? Okay. So I hope the chapter is clear to you. Okay, so here ends the chapter and I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Thank you for watching.